AI is moving faster than ever before. There's loads of new softwares, there's new things coming out, and you're getting left behind. And most importantly, you're getting replaced. We're already seeing AI in action, self-driving cars, chatbots, loads of different softwares. And they're doing it faster and quicker than humans can. Now it is really moving faster than what you think. Jobs are getting replaced literally as we speak. More things are getting invented, more type of AIs are getting invented. And really, if you're working in a factory or some form of place that could be replaced by an AI, like self-checkout, your job's probably going to be lost, or your job is going to be replaced, because the upkeep of an AI is a lot cheaper than an upkeep of a person, and an AI is never going to have a day off or be ill. It's not going to have them problems. So that's why you're going to be easily replaced. Now, there's quite a lot of things that AI will replace, but to an extent. Don't be thinking AI is going to take over the world, because an AI can't think like a person, and it can't do some things like a person can. It can just go off what you want it to do. So it really is just going off what you want it to make. Let's say if I wanted AI to make me a banner now and I wanted loads of things in it, an AI might only do half of them things. Whereas if I actually learnt a skill, I could make a better banner than whatever an AI is doing. But here's the good news. You don't have to be scared of AI, and especially if you do just one thing, you will not be replaced. So what's the secret? So you got to adapt, learn, and evolve. So like that saying, if you can't beat them, join them. Basically, what I mean by this is AI is coming, so what can you do to actually get a job, or to keep your job, or to be moving with the world? You could either work with AI, learn some skills, because these are going to be powerful. Now, AI isn't going to replace humans in a sense of it's not going to be doing everything. Humans are still going to be used, because you don't have the same thought process as a computer. That's just not possible. So the only thing that you can do is learn a powerful skill that will set you apart from this future that we're going into. And obviously adapt. Now, what people are probably going to be doing soon is finding ways to use AIs, or to code them differently, or exploiting AIs basically. So if you learn coding, you could make your own AI or so on. So this is what I mean by skills. The only way to stay ahead is to learn how to work alongside AI and not against it. Now, let's say if you've got a business and you're using AI, and then let's say someone else had a business and they weren't using AI. Which business is going to be better? You're obviously going to go for the one with AI, because they're not using as many staff, they're getting the job done quicker in whatever they're doing. And especially going into the future, you need to be embracing AI in your business, because every other business is, and if you aren't, you're going to be left behind. So these trends that do happen in the world, you need to kind of hop on them to be relevant in a sense. But if you're not already using AI in your business, you need to try and find a way that you can use it or implement it and use it to your benefit. Maybe you have an idea that's different and unique to the world that might help 90% of the people. All AI is there to do is to help you. So if you can find a way to help others with your AI or some form of that, you can make money, you can benefit off that. So writers are now using AI to help generate ideas and even write parts of articles. Designers are also using AI to help automate their workflow and speed up the creative process. But there's loads of ways that you can benefit and find ways to help you be quicker. AI is only used to make your process quicker and to help you. If you have more time, you're going to get more things done. And especially if you've got an AI that's saving you time, that you can put that other time into more valuable things. And then people using AI now are the ones that are thriving, and the ones that are just embracing it and using it to the advantage. So you're just going to let AI bypass you, or you're actually going to use it. It's just like when crypto was a big thing, no one thought they would hop on it because they thought, oh, this ain't going to happen. Now AI is come along, and that's literally going to be the same thing in the next few years. Are you just going to let it slide past you and just push it away? Are you just going to grab it and just embrace it and go, I could probably make money off this. I could do different things, unique things with this if I learn and put time in it now, because it's not too late if you do it now. There's loads of different paths you can go down with, and it's literally going to be part of the future very soon. So think about it. If you want to be a bit further ahead than people, or you want to save time, or you want to be quicker, just use it to your benefit, because it's only going to help you. It's only there to help you. Just like when I'm doing YouTube, I ask AI just to spark some ideas. I just say, give me some video ideas, give me a title, give me a thumbnail and all this thing, just to spark some ideas. because I know it's there to help me. And I know if instead of me sitting here thinking for an hour, this can just think in 5 seconds and give me some ideas, and then my thought process is quicker. And I can get a video down in maybe 10 minutes, whereas it would have took me maybe an hour without it. So this is what you just got to do. You just got to use it to your benefit, and it will help you a lot, save you a lot of time. Now, let me know in the comments what you think. I will respond to you all, and make sure you subscribe. We're nearly at 600. I think we're like 12 subs off. So click the subscribe button. Don't be a dweeb. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.